Hi Year 4. Last week you were looking at multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number, and then at the start of this week you looked at multiplying a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. I know this is new and it can be a little bit tricky, so I thought we'd go through a couple of examples together, and then that can help you ready for your Friday challenge for this week. So the first example I'm going to look at is 124 times 3. So first of all, I need to make sure I lay out my multiplication correctly so that I can work it out as easily as possible. So 124 times 3. Need to make sure I'm putting my 3 in the ones column underneath the 4. Just like column addition and subtraction, I'm going to draw 2 lines to help me. Okay, and then I'm also going to label my columns hundreds, tens and ones because I know that always helps me when I'm doing my maths. So hundreds column, tens column, ones column. Okay, so when I am doing multiplication in this way, I always start in the ones column just like I do when I'm doing column addition or column subtraction. So first I can see I need to do 4 times 3. Oh, I know 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so now I'm thinking, where am I going to write 12 in my calculation? I know the number 12 has 1 10 and 2 ones. So I put my 2 ones in the ones column and I'm going to put my 1 10 underneath. Can't write it here because then I won't have room for when I do my tens multiplication. Some people are getting a little bit muddled up and they might write the 2 in the tens place and the 1 in the ones place. If you're finding that tricky, just think about the number that you're looking at. I said I know that 12 has 2 ones, so I write the 2 in the ones place, and I know it has 1 10, so I write the 10 underneath the tens place. Now I'm going to look at the tens column, so I've got 2 tens times 3, so 20 times 3. Okay, I'm going to count in my 20s to help me. 20, 40, 60. Okay, so my answer is 60, but I have a 10 here already. I need to add on this 10. Some children have been forgetting to add on the numbers they exchange, so it's really important you remember to add on what's underneath. So 6 tens add 1 10 is 7 tens, so I write my 7 here to represent 70. Okay, last I need to times my hundreds column, so 100 times 3, I know that that's 300, so I write my 3 here. So my final answer is 372. Okay, let's do one more example. So this time I'm going to do 208 multiplied by 6. Okay, again, I'm going to label my columns because I know that really helps me. So hundreds, tens, ones. So first of all, I start off in my ones column. So I'm doing 8 times 6. Oh, I know that 8 times 5 is 40, so I need one more lot of 8, so it's going to be 48. So I'm thinking about the number 48, and I'm thinking which number is in the ones column and which number is in the tens column. So in 48, I know that 8 belongs in the ones column, so I'm going to write my 8 here. And I know the 4 belongs in the tens column, so I'm going to write it underneath the tens column. Now I'm looking at 0 times 6. I know if anything is multiplied by 0, the answer must always be 0. But I know I'm not going to write the number 0 in here because I need to add on my 4 tens. So 0 tens add 4 tens is 4. Okay, now I'm looking at 200. Remember this 2 represents 200 because it's in the hundreds column. 200 times 6. I'm going to count in my 200s to help me because I'm not sure about that one. 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000, 1200. Oh, okay, the number 1200. I know in that number the 2 goes in the hundreds column, and I know in 1200 the 1 would be in the thousands column, so I'm going to write that over here. So my answer is 1248. I hope that helps. You can have a go, make up some practice questions of your own. Okay, make sure that you feel really confident on how to use this method, ready for your Friday challenge. Bye!